Welcome friends. In this series, today we'll discuss about direct selling agent. What your direct selling agent will tell you, and you should not listen blindly. You should listen whatever he is telling with a pinch of salt. Apart from other things what we have discussed earlier, especially in the first one, what your financial agent will tell you and you should not listen. Today we'll discuss specific to direct selling agent five things apart from earlier discussed, what they will tell you and what should be your reaction, how to deal with those situations. First thing they will tell you, it is an interest rate of 8% flat and it is a great trap. If you'll compare this flat rate of 8%, it will become 20% of reducing balance interest rate. So what is the meaning of 8%? Suppose you take a home loan for 20 years. This 8% will be applicable from day 1 to day 0, the last when you have paid your last premium. Despite paying premium, your loan amount is reducing, but interest will not reduce. It will be whole life 8%. So it is a great trap. In the beginning, for example, you have taken 1 crore. Okay, of course you should pay for 8 crore. But as you are keep paying premium, your principal amount is reducing. So the overall amount is reducing. And still you are paying for whole amount, full amount 8%. So it is a big trap. If you compare with reducing balance, it will come out 20%. What you have to pay as a 20% interest rate, that you have to pay 8%. So never go for any flat rate interest. You must go with reducing balance. And benefit of this reducing balance we will discuss again later. Another thing they will tell you, I will give you a floating rate of interest. You should be careful that whenever interest rate goes, RBI changes anything, bank will immediately implement this and they will change their prime lending rate PLR, and accordingly your interest rate will be revised and will be more. But whenever time comes to reduce, they don't reduce the PLR. Even despite of so many reminders from RBI and government, bank try to escape as much as possible and they will not reduce the PLR. So you will end up paying high interest rate. One thing possible, whosoever getting now new loan, they will get this benefit reduced, but you will not get. So be careful of floating rate of interest. It is a trap again. Another thing, this third thing is they might offer you fixed rate of interest. Again, this is also a trap. Even they are giving you in writing, they will charge you fixed rate. There will be no deviation. But if you will go through the fine print of agreement, you will find a clause unforeseen circumstances. And who will define this unforeseen circumstances? Only bank have liberty to define. You will not have any say in that. And this unforeseen event is a broad meaning, and they can twist those meanings as per their convenience, their liking. So this is also a trap. So you must avoid this flat rate, again floating rate and fixed rate. All three must be avoided. Only better option, in my view, is reducing balance method. You should go for that only and negotiate for that one. Fourth thing is they will lure you for zero interest loan, especially for electronics or gadgets. If you are buying high tickets, there they will do. There you should be careful that there is nothing zero. If finance company is not getting anything, why they will give you zero interest loan? Of course they are earning. So from where and how they are earning? They will upfront charge you 5% up to 5% processing fee. This is their benefit. Second thing, in name of selling, they are charging some interest from the shop owner or mall or whosoever is selling from that account. From there they will get. And again, the shopkeeper or from where you are taking this, they will put inside the clause and they will recover from you. You should be careful of that. Second thing, you should negotiate for processing fee. You should not give any processing fee. Third thing, in disguise of giving you zero interest loan, they will try to sell you another thing, some accessories, this, that, one thing. Second, this insurance cover, they will try to push. There are so many things. From side, they will try to cover. Okay, sir, you are paying now 1 lakh in place of now we have to pay nothing. After 1 month, when it is coming, you have to pay 15,000, say, and then they will push you so many things. So you should be aware of this force selling and avoid any extra thing to be purchased. Fifth thing is they will tell you there is no hidden cost, but again, you have to careful of processing fee. If you are taking car loan, home loan, in name of processing fee, definitely they will charge you. So of course you should negotiate and you should not pay any fee till your loan is sanctioned. Second thing is prepayment clause. You must see prepayment clause. It happens if you are paying before time, then whatever the amount you are prepaying, in place of giving you some benefit, they will charge you 1-2% as a fine. So you must see the clause and must negotiate. कि as you are prepaying, it is benefit for bank, the financial company, but they will not try to give you, they will try to fine. Another hidden thing is late payment fee. Some of the company charges up to 24% of EMI, the premium amount. So you must be aware of this late payment fee. Even if you are missing one, two, they will charge you up to 24%. So these are the hidden costs. Again, if any check bounces due to anybody mistake, not your mistake, they will charge you up to rupees 600 per bounce case. So you should also see fine print of all those things and try to negotiate. Nowadays, there are some legal advisors, some agencies available who can, if you cannot go through all those things, if it looks daunting task for you, with nominal fee, they can go and they can negotiate on behalf, and whatever these hidden things, they will automatically get removed and they will advise you best possible way to take any loan. Another one thing you can do. is try to take services of 3 4 DSA direct selling agents before finalizing anyone, and each one will give you details, and they will find out some mistakes in others, even if you are don't want to go with any this legal advisor. So if you are dealing with A, they will tell you so many mistakes of B or so many hidden things of B or C. So in this way, at least 2 3 you should see this direct selling agent, and then automatically will come to know the nonsense of this very loan, whatever you are taking, whether car loan, home loan, or any other loan. So this is also a wonderful thing you can do. You should go through these terms of conditions, whatever they are trying, and try to get all things in written. Of course, if you are consulting 2 3 agents, you will come to know all nonsense, and whatever you think it is good and whatever they are promising, try to get all those things in written, nothing verbal, and that should be mentioned in the sanction letter. Before sanction letter, I'm again reminding you, you should not pay any fee for anything. If you have civil score more than 750, don't hesitate to bargain with all the this agency or the banks or financial institution from where you are getting loan. Bargain for each and everything, even for processing fee, interest, and of course you must go with only reducing balance thing. Another thing is you should look for interest clause, prepayment clause, default clause, all this in fine print of agreement letter. If you are not able to find, if you find daunting task, ask your DSA to show you in the agreement. Of course, you can read couple of paragraphs and you can save your energy and yourself. Another thing, ask for benchmark rates of few years and how and where they have transferred this benefit whenever this RBI reduces, whether they have passed to existing or old customers or no. If they have not passed, then it is alarming well for you. Then don't believe them. They will pass to you. In this case, one thing you can do, you can talk to another bank and you can get sanctioned new loan there, and from those amounts whatever you get from another bank, you prepay first one, but for that you must have prepayment clause in your favor. There should not be any extra charges. Even if there is some extra charges, if you are getting from other bank, whether you are saving something, there are competition in loan market, so there is possibility to get loan from other bank on less interest, and you will be able to save. So these are the things from today, and if you will have eagle eye on these 4 5 points, definitely you will save a lot whenever you are taking any loan. If you find any value or some value to this discourse, please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get benefit out of this rich. If you want to get covered any topic of your interest, please do write in comment box so that I can give you details in coming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.